Congratulations on your WaterGenie purchase. In this video, we'll walk you through installing your WaterGenie step by step. Most installations take about 1 hour. Once installed, your system will deliver fresh, chilled, and sparkling water right from your kitchen tap. Start by choosing a location under your sink for the WaterGenie. You'll need access to a cold water supply, a nearby electrical outlet, and space for a CO2 tank. Before you begin, keep these tips in mind. Try to position the WaterGenie directly beneath where the faucet will be installed. Shorter tubing between the faucet and the unit improves carbonation retention. Use the largest CO2 cylinder your space can accommodate. Larger tanks last longer and reduce refill costs. We also strongly recommend using a water filter. It improves taste and helps prevent scale buildup inside the machine. If you already have an under-sink reverse osmosis system, that's ideal, and it simplifies installation. Here are a few tools you'll need for the setup. Everything else for a standard installation is included in the box. Let's begin. The WaterGenie faucet requires a 1-inch hole in your countertop. If you're not comfortable drilling into your counter, hire a professional installer. Before connecting any tubing, let's review push-connect fittings. To remove tubing, remove the locking clip, press the collar inward, and pull the tubing out. To connect tubing, push it straight in until it stops. Pull back gently to confirm it's secure. Then reinstall the locking clip. Always measure before cutting tubing. The plugs on the back of the WaterGenie are removed the same way. Press the collar toward the machine, then pull the plug outward. Make clean, square cuts in all tubing to prevent leaks. If you already have an under-sink water filter or a reverse osmosis system, you can skip the valve adapter step and connect the filter outlet directly to the WaterGenie. Otherwise, locate the cold water shutoff valve under your sink and turn it clockwise to shut off the water. If the sink shutoff valve doesn't work, turn off the home's main valve. Disconnect the faucet hose from the shutoff valve. Thread the valve adapter onto the shutoff valve. And tighten securely. Reconnect the faucet hose to the outlet of the valve adapter. Remove the locking ring on the adapter. Insert the white water tubing fully into the fitting, then reinstall the locking ring. Next, install the leak stop valve on the supply line between the water source and the WaterGenie. Connect the incoming water line to the inlet of the leak stop valve. Connect a short section of tubing to the outlet, then route it through the pressure-reducing valve. Make sure the water flow follows the arrow shown on the valve. If you are using a reverse osmosis filter, the pressure-reducing valve is not required. The filter already reduces incoming water pressure to a safe level and protects the system. Secure all connections with locking clips. The water supply is now connected. Mount the leak stop valve on the cabinet floor near the WaterGenie. Next, Install the dual dispensing faucet and connect it to the WaterGenie outlets. Position the faucet over the 1-inch hole in your countertop and secure it from below using the provided base plate and mounting nuts. Using the provided tubing, connect the sparkling water and cold water outlet ports on the right side of the WaterGenie to the faucet. Cut the sparkling water line to the shortest length needed to reach the faucet. Insert the tubing into the bottom of the pressure compensating valve. Then connect the top of the pressure compensating valve directly to one of the bottom ports on the faucet. Connect the cold water line directly to the remaining port on the bottom of the faucet. And open the shutoff valves on the WaterGenie. Your unit is now connected to the faucet. Slowly turn the water supply back on. Check all connections carefully for leaks. The WaterGenie uses a 1/4-inch CO2 tubing, which may differ from some regulators. Please see our website for adapters. Make sure the CO2 tank valve is fully closed. Attach the pressure regulator to the tank and tighten securely. Insert one end of the CO2 tubing into the regulator. Position and secure the CO2 tank so it cannot tip over. Insert the other end of the tubing into the CO2 inlet on the back of the WaterGenie. Slowly open the CO2 tank valve and listen for leaks. If your regulator has a separate on-off valve, make sure it's turned on, typically by pointing it vertically. Adjust the regulator to a range of 50 to 75 psi. Do not exceed 75 psi, as higher pressure can damage the unit. Next, connect power and turn the system on. Plug the power cable into the back of the WaterGenie. Plug the unit into a grounded electrical outlet. Turn the machine on using the green power switch on the back. You'll hear the booster pump engage as the system begins producing cold, sparkling water. Now, let's make a few final adjustments. To adjust water temperature, press and hold the top touch sensor button for 5 seconds until the display flashes. Use the lower buttons to adjust the temperature up or down. After 10 seconds, the setting saves automatically. When dispensing sparkling water, it should flow slowly and continuously. If the flow is too forceful, or if it sputters and slows, adjust the screw on the bottom of the pressure compensating valve. Turn it clockwise to reduce flow. Turn the screw counterclockwise to increase flow. Continue adjusting until the sparkling water dispenses smoothly, without excessive pressure. Carbonation levels may continue to improve during the first 24 hours. To speed this up, dispense a few batches of sparkling water every hour during the first 3 hours. Thank you for choosing WaterGenie. Enjoy sparkling water on tap anytime. Better water made simple.